love you.
I love you.
Bonjour.
Let's start with the basics. When the amber light shows, we should stop and wait at the stop line.
You're shit! You are so shit, it's unbelievable!
Signalling or indicating is a simple task that is important to do correctly. If we signal properly, it will make our intentions clear to other road users, which will help to... Many driving tests have failed due to misusing the car's signals, when we will need to signal every time we do something.
Was bist du denn für ein Arschloch? Du sollst fahren!
Ich mich schon wieder aufregen.
Nella sua esperienza con la lingua devo parlare per...
Parla di cose! No, tu non ce li hai! Io l'ho fatto! Hai quel sorrisino idiota! Quel sorrisino... Parla di quello che ho fatto! Tu non ce l'hai!
Hello. Very nice.
Cadillac is a familiar name in luxury car circles, but this car, the latest to wear the Seville badge, will probably throw a few people's conceptions of what a Cadillac is for a loop. From a styling standpoint, the Seville's designers have succeeded quite nicely. The Seville is the most European-looking Cadillac ever, and the company's first modern design that can truly be called graceful. The slippery front end retains the traditional Cadillac look with its upright grille, but it is surrounded by refined curves and topped with a deep sloping hood. The Euro crowd will be pleased with the body color grille and bumpers of our STS test car.